Mount Everest, a symbol of adventure, endurance, and triumph. But beneath its breathtaking beauty lies an ugly truth, a crisis of pollution that's worsening every year. Recently, French YouTuber Enoxtag released a groundbreaking documentary, Kaizen, on poor Graver Everest, amassing over 25 million views. His journey wasn't just about conquering the world's tallest peak. It exposed the environmental devastation hidden in plain sight. Every season, hundreds of climbers set out to reach Everest's summit, leaving behind a trail of waste. Oxygen canisters, discarded gear, plastic bottles, and even human waste. The once pristine mountain is now littered with debris, turning it into the world's highest garbage dump. What makes this crisis even worse? The extreme altitude and freezing temperatures mean that waste doesn't decompose like it does elsewhere. Trash from decades ago still lingers on the slopes, frozen in time. Efforts to clean up Everest have been made, but they're not enough. Some climbers and organizations participate in waste removal initiatives, but with the increasing number of expeditions, the problem keeps growing. Enoxtag's documentary is a wake-up call. It forces us to ask, what is the true cost of human ambition? Are we willing to sacrifice the planet's most iconic landscapes for the sake of adventure? Mount Everest should be a testament to human resilience, not human negligence. It's time to take responsibility, enforce stricter regulations, and protect the mountain before it's too late. Because if Everest, the peak of the world, isn't safe from pollution, what place is?